In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sub-account on Gohighlevel. Whether you're setting this up for a client, a new branch of your business, or simply want to keep your campaigns organized, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and simplify the process step by step, ensuring you can follow along smoothly. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Gohighlevel's website. It's as simple as entering their URL into your browser. Once there, look out for the Login to App button. This is your gateway to entering the platform, so go ahead and click on that. Upon clicking, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, starting with your email address. Make sure you enter the email associated with your Gohighlevel account. Following that, you're going to enter your password. Now, passwords can be tricky. They're like the keys to your digital kingdom. Ensure you type it accurately to avoid any lockout issues. Now that you've entered your email and password, the next step is to click on the Sign In button. This action will take you closer to managing your digital marketing efforts like a pro. As an additional security measure, Gohighlevel requires you to authenticate your login. So, the next step involves clicking on Send Security Code. This is a critical step to ensure that your account remains secure and only accessible to you. Check your email for the security code. It's important to wait a few moments as sometimes these emails can take a bit to arrive. Found it? Great. Now enter this security code on the Gohighlevel page. This added layer of security helps protect your account from unauthorized access. After successfully entering your security code, you will have access to the Gohighlevel dashboard. This is where the magic happens, where you can control and manage all your digital marketing needs in one place. But you're here to create a sub-account, so let's continue on that path. Navigate to the sub-accounts section of the dashboard. This area is designed for management and organization of multiple accounts. Look for the Add Sub-Account button and click on it. This is your first step towards creating a new operational sphere within Gohighlevel. Picking the right template for your sub-account is vital. Gohighlevel offers a variety of templates designed to cater to different business needs and niches. Take a moment to browse through the options and select one that aligns with the goals of your new sub-account. Each template is designed to provide a specific framework that includes recommended settings and configurations, making it easier for you to launch your campaigns. Once you've selected a template that suits your needs, it's time to click on the Continue button. This action solidifies your choices and takes you to the next phase of setting up your sub-account. At this point, you're almost there. The process of creating a sub-account on Gohighlevel is designed to be user-friendly and straightforward, ensuring that businesses of all sizes can expand their digital marketing efforts efficiently. Let me share a couple of tips as we wrap up this tutorial. Firstly, take the time to familiarize yourself with the features and settings of your chosen template. Understanding the ins and outs of your sub-account's template will empower you to make the most out of your Gohighlevel experience. Secondly, remember that organization is key. With multiple sub-accounts, it can be easy to get things mixed up. So, establish a naming convention or a system that helps you keep track of each account's purpose and progress. This small step can save you a lot of time and confusion in the long run. Creating a sub-account on Gohighlevel is an exciting step towards scaling your digital marketing efforts. It opens up new possibilities for growth, experimentation, and success. Whether you're managing multiple clients or expanding your own business, having the ability to segment your strategies and campaigns in sub-accounts is a powerful feature. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has made the process of creating a sub-account on Gohighlevel clear and straightforward. Remember, every step you take towards mastering tools like Gohighlevel is a step towards achieving your business goals. So go ahead, put this knowledge into action, and watch your digital marketing efforts soar to new heights.